How to change the language in your Monopoly Go. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your language in your Monopoly Go. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your Monopoly. So now once you are in here, you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner. And from here you have to go in the settings, and once you are in, as you can see that here in the settings there is the option of the language. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to select the language that you want to change, and after that here is the confirmation that are you sure you want to change your game language to that specific language that you currently select. And after that you just have to simply click on the change. So this is how you can change your language in your Monopoly Go. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.